Hey, what's going on, guys? How you doing? Yeah, I just shared with you the custom list templates. This list template right here. That's gonna let you generate leads, right? So in this video, I want to share with you the exact, step-by-step process of how to set it up for your business. Okay, how to put this to work and implement this right here on Facebook. Okay, so the first thing you need two things right here. You need a Facebook page and a business manager. Okay, so what is a Facebook page? So a Facebook page is a page on Facebook that lets you, for example, if you have your profile, your profile is what lets you, interact with people, follow people, find friends. But then your Facebook page is like a higher level or a higher version of your Facebook profile. Okay, it's a page for your business so that you could use it to run ads and use it to get fans and stuff like that. Okay, then you need a business manager. Okay, a business manager, specifically you need a Facebook ads account. A Facebook ads account is an account that lets you run ads on Facebook. Okay, so if you have a Facebook profile, you can't start running ads unless you create yourself an ads account. Okay, so what you should do is to create a business manager. A business manager is kind of like a platform that has all your Facebook ads accounts. So let's say you want to create different Facebook ads accounts for different purposes, right? So all the ads accounts will be under the business manager, okay, so that you could manage your business. All right, so right here, go to Facebook. This is really easy. I hope you have these two things. If you don't have this, just go to Facebook and go to Google and ask Google on how to get this. It's really simple. It literally takes less than 5 minutes. Okay, how to create a Facebook page, right? How to create an ads account, how to create a business manager plus an ads accounts, and just ask Google for help. And guys, in less than 7 steps, you're gonna get yourself your Facebook page and your ads account all set up. Okay, so right here, this is the step-by-step tutorial of how this all works. Okay, so get yourself a Facebook page and an ads account, and then the second step is to come right here, go to your browser and go to business.facebook.com. okay, go to business.facebook.com, and it's gonna take you to a page like this. If this is new, yours is gonna be pretty much empty right here. And then come right here to the left side and click on ads manager, okay, because you want to start managing your ads, you want to start creating ads, right? So give it a second to load. Awesome. So right here, the next thing you want to do is then you want to select the right ad accounts you want to work with. Awesome. So right here, it's gonna open up, and then right here, what you want to do is you want to select. If you have different ad accounts, go ahead and click on this drop down. It's gonna show you the list of ads accounts. Select the right accounts and make sure you add your payment method. Okay, so go to business settings and go to payment settings and add a valid payment method. Okay, that is what where Facebook is gonna take the money from. Right here, come right here under the payment methods and go ahead and add a valid payment method, right? And then go back to the ads manager right here, business.facebook.com/ads manager. Okay, so then you want to click on the green create icon right here. So I just switched up the ads account right here. Go ahead and hit on the green create button right here. Okay, right here, what you want to select, you want to choose a campaign objective. Okay, so the best way to go is to go for lead generation right here, since we want to generate leads. Okay, and come right here and name your campaign. Give your campaign a name. What I like doing is I like using my name, so you can use the short form of your name. Let's see, William Johnson right here. And then what type of campaign are you working with? What type of leads you want to generate? Buyer leads. And what buyer leads? Let's select the area. Let's say Baytown buyer leads, right? Baytown buy a lead using what type of template. So we're using the custom list template, right? So go ahead and name your campaign right from the get-go and name the ad set. Okay, so let's say ad set 1, and then ad 1. Go ahead and hit on the continue button right here. So the next thing you want to do, this is the campaign level. There are 3 levels for a Facebook ad. We have the campaign level, the ad set, and the ad. The campaign is where you set the overall objective of the ad. You want to tell Facebook, hey, this is what I want to do. I want to generate leads, or I want traffic to my website, or I want people to download my application and stuff. Okay, so that is the campaign. The next is the ad set. The ad set is where you tell Facebook, hey Facebook, this is the exact people I want you to show my ads to. Okay, so it's where you specify the people for Facebook to target and show the ads to. Okay, and then the ad is of course where you create the visual ad right here. Okay, this visual ad right here. Okay, so go ahead from the campaign, name the campaign right here. I've already done so, and then go to special ad categories and select the housing category. So go ahead and select the special housing category right here. Make sure it's selected. If not, Facebook is not going to let you run ads. And go ahead, that's all you need, and hit the next button. Okay, so Facebook is going to take you to the ad set level. Okay, remember the ad set is where you specify the people you want to show the ads to, right? That is your prospects, your ideal clients. Okay, so lead method, go ahead and let it be instant forms right here, because we want people to fill up a form. Choose a Facebook page. So remember I said you need a Facebook page. Go ahead and select the Facebook page you want to show the ads with. And go ahead from the budget and schedule. Suggested you should start with $10 per day budget. Okay, you could, if you don't have a lot of money, you could go for $5, but the recommended amount to start with is $10. Okay, so just start with $10 a day daily budget, right? Start dates, you could set up a start date, and you could set an end date to the campaign. Let's say you want to test this for 3 weeks or 2 weeks. You could go ahead and select the dates right here. Okay, then the audience, define who you want to see your ads, right? If you have a custom list audience, you could use it, but I assume you don't have a custom list. So what you want to do is come right here and start targeting the location. Okay, so let's say we're targeting Baytown. Go right here and hit this and select people living in this location, and come right here and find out your location. So let's say we're going for Baytown, Texas, United States. Awesome. So we're done with this, right? So the next thing you want to do is to scroll down, and then right here you want to select not less than 25 kilometers. Okay, Facebook doesn't allow you to go less than 25 kilometers for the radius. Okay, so go ahead and select 25 kilometers, and this error right here is going to be resolved. Awesome. So we're targeting people in Baytown, and I'm going to show you the game changer. Okay, the game changer right here is the detailed targeting. You cannot mess up with the age or gender, because Facebook doesn't let you do that, because initially we selected the spatial housing category. Okay, so Facebook limits you, restricts you to target age or gender. But one thing you could do is go for detailed targeting. Okay, so what you want to do is select interests and behaviors of your ideal prospect. Okay, so for example, hit on the edit button right here and select the interests of people who are likely willing to buy a home. Okay, since we're going for buy leads. Okay, and guys, we've done all the hard work for you. We have what works right here. Okay, so this is the detailed targeting for buyer leads. Okay, so go ahead and input all of these details right here, and I'll show you how it goes. So first time home buyer grants, first time, select it right here, homes.com, househunting.com, mortgage loan, mortgage calculator, and go ahead and just keep adding all this interest. Okay, homes.com. Let's say we go for mortgage loans, mortgage calculator, mortgage calculator. Go ahead and keep adding the interest right here. Property finder, pre-qualification, realtor.com, Trulia, and Zillow, especially if you have them in your area. Okay, so let's go for Trulia and Zillow. Make sure you add all the buyer lead interests, okay, if you don't want to miss out on any leads. Okay, so what you're telling Facebook, you're telling Facebook to go target anybody who is interested in any one of these. Okay, that way we might reach out to buyer to potential buyer leads. Okay, so right here, all languages, select English language, all, and the placements right here. The placements is where do you want to place the ad. You want to place it on Facebook or on Instagram. We want to do it only on Facebook. Okay, so go ahead and deselect these two and just select Facebook, and we want to show it on Facebook feed. Okay, Facebook news feed, and you could as well select marketplace and the Facebook news feed. Those are the two recommended places I suggest you select right now. And all the other options, go ahead and deselect them right here. We don't want to do story ads or messenger ads. You only want to stick with Facebook news feed and the Facebook marketplace. Okay, so optimization and delivery, that's all. That's pretty much it for the ad set. Go ahead and go hit on the next. Awesome. So right here, this is where you're gonna start creating the ad. Okay, this template right here, the visual. Go ahead and scroll down and go to the single image or video. Okay, the ad creative. The ad creative it consists of the ad copy and the image or the video and the destination of the ad. So go ahead, one placement. Awesome. So go ahead and change the media and upload your image. Okay, you could use a tool called Canva.com and edit few pictures of the list of homes. Maybe you take the top 3 homes and just put them together like this and upload it right here. Okay, just if you could decide to upload it, just hit on the upload button right here and search for where it's saved on your computer and upload it and open it right here. Okay, but I'm gonna select mine and I'm gonna hit the next. The original, go for the original. So go ahead and now copy and paste the primary text right here, the templates I send you. Okay, if you want access to this copy and paste templates, just DM me, send me a message, reach out to me on Facebook, and I'm gonna assist you with this. Okay, so go ahead and copy this and paste it right here. Bingo. So, and customize it for yourself. Okay, so it says attention city. Go ahead and start modifying this for yourself. Attention Baytown. Are you or anyone looking to buy a home? If compile a free custom list of homes for sale under, let's say we're dealing with $250,000. Click the learn more button to get and follow the steps to get the list. Now it doesn't hurt to know and putting your name right here. So just for example purposes, let me just write this right here. The headline, go ahead and come right here, copy and paste. 250,000, and the description also copy and paste. Awesome. The call to action, it says click the learn more button below in the copy. So right here we want congruency, So the call to action is gonna be, we're gonna select the learn more, okay, or you could say download now. You could also use download this custom list right now. It works as well. Okay, so the next thing is we want to create the form. Remember, Facebook provides us with a form, an inbuilt form that is meant to collect the leads for us. Okay, so hit on the create form and hit on the continue so we can start creating the form. This form is responsible for generating the leads and collecting the leads for our business. Okay, so right here, name the form. You could name the form just as you name the naming convention. Okay, so go ahead and follow the naming convention and just add right here form number 1. Okay, so what do you want? This is very essential, guys. I see most people selecting more volume. You do not want to select more volume, okay? Because if you select more volume, then you're gonna get a lot of crappy leads. Okay, so what you want to select is higher intent. You want to go for quality over quantity. Okay, you do not want more volume. You want people who are interested in actually buying a home. Okay, so select the higher intent so you could sacrifice quantity, for quality. Okay, so go to the intro right here. We have all the copy and paste templates right here, so just ask me for this and I'm gonna give it to you right now. Okay, let me go ahead and see where we put this. So this is on the form right here. Okay, where should we send you the list? So go ahead and copy and paste all the copy headline. No, sorry, this isn't. What you want to do is, for the intro right here, you don't want to select the intro. First of all, I forgot something. Go to the settings section right here and then select open for sharing. Okay, so that people following your Facebook page can share the ad when they see the ad. Okay, and come right here to the intro, and then you could decide to remove the greeting. Okay, so we don't want intro, we want to remove the greeting. Okay, so all we want to do is take people to the contact information directly. Okay, so use the image from the ad and then go to the questions right here. Pre-fill questions, description, enter a message. Okay, so this is where you want to enter this on the form right here. Copy and paste this. Okay, copy and paste. Where should we send you the list? Putting your real email and phone number below for instant access. Okay, the next, this is on the thank you page. Okay, so go ahead, we need the email, the full name. We don't need the full name, we just need the first name. So go ahead and delete this full name right here and then hit on the add category and select first name. Add category and select phone number right here. So as you are customizing this form, you're gonna see how it looks like right here on the right side of the screen. Okay, so the first thing we want to ask for is the first name and then the email and then the phone number. Right, you can add more categories if you want to request for more things. Okay, so the next is the privacy. Go ahead, if you have a privacy policy page on your website, go ahead and add the link right here. Okay, I'm just gonna add the link to my own website. Okay, marketingagency.com/privacy policy. Right, this is the link text right here. Go ahead, if you have any, if you've promised anything on the ad, let's say for seller template, for seller leads, maybe you said you helped someone sell their home for certain price, then go ahead and add a custom disclaimer. Okay, saying, hey, disclaimer, it's not promised or guaranteed you're gonna sell the home for this amount. This is just for information purposes, and then just add a custom disclaimer if there is need to. Okay, but right here there isn't any need to add any custom disclaimer. Okay, so just add the privacy policy and go to the next step, the review screen. Okay, so this is the difference between the form that the more volume form and the higher intent. When you select the higher intent, right here at the end, it's gonna give them an extra step to review their information before submitting. Okay, so remember, the more steps, the more layer you add to this, the more work for your prospects, and the higher the quality of the lead. Okay, we'll go ahead to the completion right here on the thank you page and copy and paste this right here. Okay, free list has been sent to your email. And then the last thing you want to do is you want to set the expectation. You want to make it clear to them for what to expect. Okay, so instead of just saying, hey, thank you, the list is going to send to your email, you want to send them somewhere. You want to tell them, hey, expect a call from me in the next few minutes. I'm gonna call you. Okay, check out this book. Okay, check out my website and read more about me, learn more about me. Okay, so this builds more trust, and then it's gonna let them answer to your phone call. Okay, so it says, if you're looking to buy or have any questions concerning the real estate market right here, call me right here. Okay, so putting your name right here, whatever your name is, and then putting your phone number right here. Okay, so let's put in a phone number right here. Expect a call from me in the next few minutes. Okay, so this is great thank you page. This is what we call a thank you page. Okay, it's thanking them and it's telling them, hey, the free list is gonna send to your email, and then expect a call from me. I'm gonna call you in the next few minutes. Okay, so this button right here should be call business, and the call to action should be, let's say, click here to call now. Then go ahead and put in your phone number right here. Bingo. So right here you're done with everything. Okay, you are done with all the steps. Go ahead, if you're sure you're satisfied with your form, go ahead and review the form right here. See the way it looks. If you're sure you're done with this, and go ahead and hit the publish button. Okay, or else just save as draft. Okay, so right now I'm gonna save this as drafts. Once you're done with that, close this window, guys. Okay, close this window, publish the form if you're sure you're done, and then boom, guys, you're done with the ad. You've created this ad right here. You created the ad sets, meaning you know exactly the people you want to target, you want to show this ad to. This is the entire ad right here. And then you've created a form. This is where anyone who clicks on this ad is going to be taken to this form right here, and they're going to give you their first name, email, phone number. That is the lead, right? And then it's going to send to you. I'm going to talk about where we're going to send this lead in the next video. Okay, and all the follow-up system, the sequence, pre-qualification, and the next thing. Okay, but right here on Facebook, this is all you need to know, and this is all you need to do to set up your custom ad on Facebook to start getting those leads. All right, so if you're sure you're done, go ahead and hit on the green publish button right here, and it's gonna review. Facebook is gonna review your ad, and it's gonna publish it in few hours, and then the ad is gonna start showing to your prospects, and you're gonna start getting some leads. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.